The cash haul saga surrounding Judge of Delhi High Court Justice Yashwant Verma is getting bigger with each passing day. Lawyers of the Allahabad High Court have announced a strike from today, seeking stricter action against the judge. Now, this comes after Allahabad High Court Bar Association passed multiple resolutions urging the Supreme Court to impeach Justice Verma and review all the judgments that he gave during his tenure so far. The resolution seeks CBI and ED probe into the cash that was discovered at the judge's house after a fire broke out over there. The Bar Council is also condemning the Supreme Court's decision to repatriate Justice Verma to his parent body, the Allahabad High Court. While Justice Verma has maintained innocence, the Chief Justice of India has formed a 3-member panel to probe the case against the judge.
Well, it's a repatriation. He has been sent back to Allahabad High Court because he is from Allahabad High Court. And this has happened while the inquiry is pending. So I don't think there's anything wrong in this. Sending him back to his parent court is a natural course of action which the CJI has taken. And of course, since the inquiry is pending, inquiry will take its own time. And the work has already been withdrawn from him. The roster of the Delhi High Court has changed. He's not sitting in any court. There's no work which has been assigned to him. So in all fairness, or maybe I would say in a process, in a normal process, he has been sent back to Allahabad High Court.
In fact, Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal spoke exclusively to Times Network. He says that a panel constituted by the Supreme Court is probing this case and the centre is waiting for the panel's report. Listen in.
We have Arjun Ram Meghwal with us. He is currently in Manipur. Sir, जो चर्चा चल रहा है दिल्ली में, दिल्ली की जो हाई कोर्ट की जो जज है जिसके घर से कैश बरामदी हुई है, उसकी कार्रवाई की भी निर्देश दिया गया है. किस तरीके से देखते हैं? कई सारे हल्लागोल राजनीतिक हलचल भी इस बात को लेकर.
देखिए, आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया, अब भी बता रहा हूं कि ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसके लिए एक 3 सदस्यीय कमेटी बनाई है, जिसमें 2 तो हमारे चीफ जस्टिस हैं, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं, एक हिमाचल के चीफ जस्टिस हैं, एक कर्नाटक से माननीय जज हैं. तो ये 3 सदस्यीय जो समिति बनी है वो जांच कर रही है. जांच की रिपोर्ट आने पे बाकी बात होगी ना.
राजनीतिक जो चर्चाएं चल रही है, जो आरोप उठ रहा है, इस पर क्या
इसको राजनीति के साथ नहीं जोड़ना चाहिए. सुप्रीम कोर्ट इसमें इंक्वायरी कर रहा है और उसके बाद हम हमारी बात कहेंगे.